Hello everyone. This is Computer Science, Class 12th, Chapter 4 Using Python Libraries. Lecture 1. So, this chapter relates to the Python libraries. In this chapter, we will study about library, modules, and how to import modules. I have included the topic functions also here. But functions, we already know that how to create functions. So basically the main thing is how to create the library and how to import the modules. So the next is, what is library? A library is a collection of functions and methods that allows you to perform many actions without writing your code. So we all are familiar with the functions and methods. These both are the same thing. And when we import any function or any program, then it is a module. So all the files that save with .py extension is called a module. So library is basically the collection of the modules. So we all know that what are modules, and you people already worked with modules in the previous class also, class 11. You people made many programs with the same file .py extension. So these all are called the modules. So there are some common libraries in Python. These are, first is the Python standard library. In this we include math module. Math module, for example, sqrt functions or power functions. For using these functions, first we have to import the math module. Next is the CMath. CMath is used for the complex number. Complex number also you know that is in the form of iota. Next is the random. Random is basically used to generate the random numbers. Next is statistics. So these four, if you want to use these four, then you have to import a standard library. Now next is the NumPy library. NumPy is basically used to handle the arrays. Next is the science library. Science library is used for the image processing, integration and the linear algorithms. Next is Tkinter library. It is basically used for the graphics design. This is not in your syllabus, but we also know that what are these libraries? Because when you people create the project, then it is mandatory that you have to use the graphics. That's why we also studied about the Tkinter library. Now next is the Matplot library. It is basically used for the graph designing. For example, line chart, bar chart or pie chart. So next is module. As I told you, a module that is saved with the .py extension is called the module. So any file or any program that you saved with the .py extension is a module. So in this module, you can use the functions, method, classes, etc. So basically a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application, that to create a module, save the code with extension .py. We can understand this with the help of the example. So this is the example. In this, we will create a function that is factorial and the another function is area circle. So factorial will calculate a number's factorial and the circle, area of the circle, that will just calculate the area with the help of the radius. This is a simple program. With the help of the function, I have created this. And the next one is the root program. It will calculate the root of the particular number. Means if you are supposing the number is 3 and its power is 2. So 3 raised to power 1 by 2. Okay. So I will show you the output but not now. So the next is structure of a module. So a structure of a module that contains the doc strings, Doc strings means the function you are using. What is the use of that function? You have to just define it. And doc string is defined by 3 single quotes or 3 inverted commas. If you are opening a doc string, then you have to close it. It is mandatory. Now, next is variables and constants. You people already know that how to create variables. Next is classes and objects. We also studied about classes and objects in the further videos. Next is the statements and functions. So, in this program, you people see the factorial in the area of the circle. Now, I am just running this program and I am showing you what is the structure of this program. So, first of all, I have to import this. Import module. Now, it is imported. So, write down help and the name of the program. So, it is showing the structure of the program. This is the name, that is module. This program finds factorial of a number and area of circle. This is the doc string that I have used. Now these are two functions, area circle and the factorial. And this is the location of the file, that where the file has stored. So if you want to see structure of the program of any program, then you have to use this command help and then write the name of the program. No need to write the .py extension. Okay. So the next topic is how to import the modules. There are 3 ways for importing a module. That is importing the entire module, importing single object, importing multiple objects. So this is another program of importing module. I have created 2 programs. The name of the program are the module and the roots. And in a importing file, I have import these 2 files in a single program. So this category belong to the first one. Here in this program, the value of answer is 1 and I am using here the while loop. While loop will run the program until the condition is true. If the condition false, then it will just jump out of the loop. So here the value of answer is 1 and according to the choice of the user, out of 3 options, factorial of number, nth root and area of the circle, it depends on the user that which choice a user want to run the program. So the first, if the value of the x is equal to 1, then it will calculate the factorial. If the value of x is 2, then it will calculate nth of the root. And if the value of 3, x value of 3, then it will calculate the area of the circle. Just notice one thing in this program. Here I am using this module dot factorial. What is module? Module is the name of the program, name of the file, module file. And here root is also the name of the module. So when you people are just importing the module with the name of the object, then it is mandatory that you have to write the name of the file or name of the module. So when I run this program, then factorial of a number, enter choice. If I entered 1, then first is factorial of a number. Write down 5. The answer is 120. This one. This 120 is the factorial of the number. Now enter 1 to continue. Area of the circle and nth root of the number. For example, I want to calculate nth root of the number. Base is 3 and power is 2. Now 3 raised to power 1 by 2. What is the answer? That is 1.73 and so on. Now again I pressed 1. Then I want to calculate the area of the circle. Radius, suppose 10. then the area of the circle is 314.0. It will give you the result in float. Now I press 2 and just out of the loop. So this one is here. I hope you understand this program, that what is the main motive of this program. Okay, so this is the importing multiple object. Now there are some other I am just made some changes in this program. This importing file, import, just wait. Okay, now this is the importing file with the single object. Okay, now if you want to just import only the particular function, for example, in this file I just want to import the factorial function, not the area circle, then what should I write? For this I just write from module import factorial. So by this line, it will just import the factorial function only. And here, there is no need to write the module again. You have to just write the factorial. Now, I am going to run this program. So, choice is 1, number 6. It will give you 720. Now, if I press the 1 and 2, it will give you error. That is, name root is not defined, because I have not written the statement of importing the root module. That's why it is showing me the error, that is name root is not defined. In the same way, you can write from root import nth root. Now check. To enter the number, example 4. Okay, I have written 1 now. Now the enter choice 2. Again, name root is not defined. Let me check. Okay, this is the error. This one. I have not erased this. Now run it again. The answer is 2. Enter 4. Power is 2. The answer is 2.0. I hope this is clear. Now, so with the help of these programs, you people are able to import the file. So the homework is, there are 2 questions. First one is, how are the following import statements are different? That is, import x from x import star from x import a b c. The first part A, in this x is the object, and in part C, a b c are the objects, and this x is the name of the file. And the second one is also here. So you people just try to solve these problems. If you people face any problem, then just let me know. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.